On the behalf of the officials and volunteers of Mission 20, I would like to congratulate Kanat Foundation on its 17th anniversary. Mission 20's existence is because of Kanat Foundation, because of Kanat Foundation's objectives for the humanity, what Kanat Foundation is doing, its mission, and in particular Shakil sir. He has been always inspiring us to work for the humanity, to take up different projects, especially in the field of education, because he has been really very particular in the field of education, and hence that is the reason why Mission 20's top objective is education for underprivileged, as it is for the Kanat Foundation. So at the very early age of 14, that's when I started Mission 20 back in 2007. So since then he has been instilling the values of working for the humanity in all of the members involved. Since the day we started, we have been following his footsteps, and that is the reason now we are going to celebrate this month the 9th anniversary of Mission 20 as well. So Kanat Foundation, Shakil sir, really thank you so much for making us realize what we would lose if we wouldn't be in your contact, and making us realize that we are really doing something which is helping the lives of so many people. I know the amount of support we can give is very less, I believe, because a lot has to be done, a lot has to be achieved, and so many things to do. But with whatever we can, whatever expertise and resources available, we are trying our level best, and in coming years we have better plans to do a lot of projects and really practically change the lives of people and focus a lot on education, because we believe education is a solution to a lot of the problems, and we want to focus on education for underprivileged, especially the primary sector. So thank you so much, Kanat Foundation, and this month has been really very important for us, because on 8th we celebrate the Kanat Foundation anniversary, and on 20th of February we celebrate the Mission 20's anniversary. And for the first time in the history of Mission 20, we are celebrating Mission 20's 9th anniversary on 20 Feb 2016, and we are going to complete 10 years inshallah in 2017. So please keep supporting us, keep praying for us, and really your support matters a lot in realizing our dream. It's not like we are not realizing our dream, but the thing is, your support will make things faster. We could reach bigger communities, we could reach far, and try to help maximum people as we can. So please keep supporting us, and towards the end of the video you'll find the details of how you can support us. Send us an email, call us, and you can support us and support Kanat Foundation as well, because our topmost objective is education for underprivileged, and in that the very important thing we have is to support Kanat Foundation's objective in education as much as we can. So thank you so much for watching this.